9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start now. Hi guys, welcome back. It's September 13th. Now we are playing Toy Trains. It's a fun game. Okay, I just got joined. Okay, I'm not even a noob. I wonder you can fall. You can fall? Excuse me? My heart broke. Wait, I thought I already got one. But thanks. No, thank you. Okay, so it's winter. This is gonna stay like this forever. Look, it's about to get snowy. The street's about to get snowy. Oh, it didn't. But one street did. No, they didn't. Okay, so we're making a new thing like you didn't ever see for your whole road. Okay, so that was like the last time. I'm 7 years old. I used to be 4. Wow, look at this. Would you ever do that? Subscribe, you would ever do that. Now I heard I finished my stuff, but this is called New York City. It's close to the end. It's like 1,000 meters to get there. My mom taught me math. A teacher. But how do you do this? That might be hard. Ugh, I hate hard stuff. Should I? Oh, that's so silly. Guys, look. This is like a store. What is this? This is not Roblox. This is Toy Box. Toy Box never like do that. And the whole wide world. Okay, so I got the Bedwetter shirt. Get the merch from the Bedwetter shirt from the YouTuber stuff. Get the merch and get the Huggy Wuggy toy. It's so fun. You get the Squishmallows. Yes, get all of them. Even the Alphabet Lords and the Rainbow Friends. Okay, so I quite just do this and I'm going back to that part. Okay, so I got all the way here. That was a glitch. But this part, going back to this part. Why is it slow? I hate it when it be slow. Look. Are you sure this would be safe? This wouldn't be safe for me. I'm a bossy like a girl. Like girls always be. A bossy. Never stop being bossy. So annoying. If I was a girl, I would be bossy. And tell people what to do. But I'm a boy. If I would be a girl, I would be bossy. But I'm not bossy. Boys can't be bossy. Only girls can be bossy. Can I make a circle? Can I make a street lamp? So should I delete this to here to here and make it to a proper street lamp? To make it to the proper street lamp. You think this will ever works? I rate this was never gonna work. Subscribe, you think this never gonna works. I think it's never gonna works. You think it would works? It would works. It would very works if you should be like this side and this side. And why is this side? Is that real? I'm not wrong. So it can go here. OMG! It just got all the way here. OMG! OMG! I didn't know it could be like this. Well, that sucks. Anyways, that's what sucks. I made this like a highway. I read it to be like this. We're still at my side. At the next at no one. Oh, okay. And next at we're not next at the super look. Ugh, what is this? This is not Roblox. This is Toy Block. But I still like Roblox. I'll call this Toy Blocks. Okay, so I'm making a shopping. This is a boardway. I'll make a town. I said I'm gonna make a town. I'm recording. Did you know I'm an artist?
Yes.
What's an artist?
A person that creates.
And make videos?
Video, paint, music, yes.
So I'm an artist. I draw and make videos. I don't even know how I get to this part. Yes, it's a Picasso. It would be very, very, very nice if I had this. Did you know this never gonna work? Subscribe, you think this gonna works? Cause it's never gonna work. Wait, how to get to side and to side? What? How is this happening? What is wrong with this game? And why is this like this? I think this is the right one. Toy trains. Sorry guys. My mom was messing up my stuff. But sorry guys. So, I think this is a windmill. No, this is called a windmill. Water tower. Mom, do you know water tower? Yes. A water tower is like this.
Okay. Cool.
And this is a soil. Solo or other stuff, I don't know. So I completed this. Complete all of this. But oh wait. Okay, so I complete all of this. So we should I think this is gonna come like later or soon. I don't know. Ooh, why is it taking so ever? Did you know this is a tycoon? This is a tycoon. Toy Taste is a tycoon. Cause I hate tycoons. And even though I hate this money, cause I can't get even money. I have money, a lot of money. Cause I got this for an hour. What is this? I want to make a hole. I think it's going to happen. Oh. And how did I do that? How did I do that? No way, how did I do that? That would be hard. Subscribe. Say how do I do that? Say how did I do that? How did I do that? Okay, guys, I drawed it. So I think my phone was, wait, how my phone was 30, I'm 52. Oh, that was my other phone. I don't know, I'm not even the bad at doing this. I'm not bad at editing. You know, I'm bad I'm bad at bicycle. I'm good at scooter. Scooter is easy. Get the merch for scooter. Okay, so we're gonna make more and more. I think this is never gonna be a good idea. I think this is not gonna be a good idea. I'll pick. This is gonna be like this, but later. Okay. Okay, I'll put this. Okay, guys. I hope you like this video. Please like and join photos and see my all videos in my phone. Hope you see you the next time. Bye. Bye. It natita teta.